Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Thanks for checking things out here for your weekend forecast, WXYZ.com. We've always got the information you need, and it looks like the start of the weekend is not bad. Warmer and drier on Saturday, but this is Saturday night. Some rain starting overnight. It may mix with snow a little bit early in the day, just real quickly, and then most of the day is rain until late in the afternoon. And toward the evening hours, there could be some changeover to some snow showers there as the colder air starts moving back in. Here's a look at your forecast now. 31 for a Friday night temperature. Into Saturday morning, some passing high clouds. They're not going to make any rain or snow. Wind's a little less than it has been the last few days. That's a nice start to the weekend. 45, milder and calmer. How about that with this light wind from the southwest? That is the best of the weekend because Sunday, 60% chance. In other words, it's likely to have rain and snow mixed together. More rain than snow, but again, some flakes possible real early before the sun comes up, and then toward the end of the afternoon into the evening as well. Right now, Valentine's Day looks good weather-wise. Temperatures in the upper 30s, a little bit above average with the peak of sun. Have a great weekend.